How to create a passkey on Shopify step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can create a passkey on Shopify. If you want a more faster and secure login method on Shopify, then you can easily enable a passkey. First of all, launch open Shopify application or website. I'm just going to open up the Shopify app here. Once you open it up, log into your account like you normally do. After you're in this homepage of Shopify, go to the upper right corner and tap on the human icon. Now, click the three dots right next to your email at the top and click on Manage Account. This will take you to accounts.shopify.com website where you need to click Security from the top of the screen right next to General. Under Security, scroll down and look for Create Passkey button under Passkeys. Click on it, and then you need to enter your Shopify account's password in the respective field at the bottom. Finally, click Verify. Now, click on the Continue button and then scan your Face ID, your fingerprint, or your device's lock pin or pattern. Click on Add Passkey and this will scan your Face ID, Touch ID, or your pattern. Now after you do that, you have successfully created a passkey and added it into your Shopify account. As you can see that there is a new passkey added to your account. Next time you log in, you can enter your email, choose to sign in with passkey, and verify using your fingerprint, face scan, or device lock. No password needed. So there you have it. Creating a passkey on Shopify makes your account more secure and faster to access, protecting your store from phishing and password theft. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.